Hello there! Let's jump over to this week's weekly crypto analysis. First, let's check Polygon in daily time frame. Alright, as you see, it is very close to an important resistance zone. Not just it is the channel's midline, it had created a top here as well, and if it wants to pass this zone, its trading volume has to increase more and more. As you see, its trading volume shouldn't decrease like this. It needs to go up and duplicate another strong candle like this one and submit itself to move forward to targets around 2.8 and 3.91. Another noticeable thing is the RSI, which is about 50, and it can be a sign of a strong rise. But we need to wait and see what will happen in this exact zone. If it passes this top, it will be a good buy opportunity. But if not, it can go down to around 1.52. The most important resistance zone in here is 2.24. Not considering this analysis and looking at this line that I drew, we can find a flag pattern. So it has to submit itself upper than the latest resistance, which is the last touch with the top to grow to the base of the flag pattern above this resistance. This is all though for the long run. For the short run, we got to wait and see if there's any possibility of submission higher than this point. So, all eyes on this coin for now. Jumping to the second coin, Luna, and daily time frame. You can see some descending channels I drew running. They reacted to the midline and also to the top of the channel after the breaks. As of this channel, multiple touches and dump. Then again touching the midline and the dump. Pulling back and the new trend. Breaking here and pulling back. Then again pulling back on the midline and a new trend. Noticing here the top trend, which is our second channel, broke with a strong pullback, continuing the trend to the first target, which is our midline at 87 USDT, and then the second target, which is 198 USDT. From here to midline, we will have 40% turnover, and then till the top of the channel around 200%. Seems like a very good chance to invest, of course, based on your own decisions. The support zone is 51. The second support line will be the top of the second channel, which is 40. Last but not least, Ethereum Classic on 4-hour time frame. It's moving through a range through this period. The main trend has not begun after that strong growth. But let me use an EMA to find the trend. First, our resistance zone is here in our midline at 58, and then the main target is 78. Passing this zone, this target will be touched undoubtedly. Check out these 3 EMAs, 50, 100, and 200. Let me give you an example with this indicator. Look here. The green EMA crossed both and a great rising trend began. These 3 can act both as a resistance or support. Going forward, we see our chart reach this green line, staying under the black, which is a resistance line. If the green crosses both the black and the red and candles go higher, we can expect that this resistance zone goes away and moves toward to the top of the channel, which will be 78. Don't forget to use this indicator along with price action. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed our evening crypto dessert. Bye for now.